County, northwestern Brown County, Owen County, eastern Greene County, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Spencer, or 18 miles northwest of Bloomington, moving northeast at 50
It
miles
looks
per
like it's
hour.
impacting the city of Bloomington, Indiana.
Include 80 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are
But
expected.
this strong winds up to 80 miles per hour. This is a potential
Mobile homes will be
dangerous storm.
Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Bloomington, Martinsville, Bloomfield, Spencer, Hillsville, Monroe, Gulfport, Paragon, Steinsville, Halleasville, Indiana University, Quincy, Helmsburg, McCormick Creek State Park, Lake Lemon, Freedom, Salisbury, Denver, Unionville, and Whitehall. Remain alert for a possible
It's also impacting the city of Martinsville. But the next severe thunderstorm warning could impact the city of Indianapolis and the surrounding areas.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Looks like this thunderstorm is heading to Indianapolis.
Until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for South Central, Southwestern, and West Central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45.
Already it's issued for the city of Lebanon and Lafayette.
In Indiana, Brown, Greene, Monroe, Morgan, and Owen. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued